we get a clear path towards our victory. Every day the enemy they make mistakes. Every day the enemy they make mistakes. Every day. Because now so God we don't ordain this revolution. Today I will go straight for the point. We will make some special fundraiser today for assist with the Swiss-led talks. And then also for assist Red Dragons and other issues for revolution. So all man get for be ready. Now we will also give an update about what happened for the issue with my Crypto Boya and the FBI follow up. Make all will know one thing, Mami and Papa. You get for be very strong for fight corruption, embezzlement, and cabals. Now why that way the police they kill them easily. Now why they fight crimes. Nobody want to give insight, technical investigation because they didn't have office and follow up. Now why they street they fight crimes. Very dangerous. As they join me, maybe share me. All man get this live show. Thank you so much. God bless you as you join. Now, I will talk this one for my mommy and my papa there for down there. Anybody join me share, will listen to that music again some more. In fact, I will bring some different music. We all know when our president in music, I go for here for YouTube. I find the music very quickly. Beautiful music. So I will bring them, we will start them. So we'll listen while we share. All man share extensively. Thank you so much. In 2 minutes, I will start the show. And I want to show you something. I wore something for my hand. Now new cat, this one I don't buy them. Cat, plain cat. Now new way to this, plain cat I don't buy them. I want to show you some game today for define the revolution with this plain cat. We listen to this music. After 2 minutes, I will start this show. My way miss. Share extensively. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Here, far, activity. I already shall my name, I job, I make his name.
Thank you. We not get time. As you be aware, this show now just impromptu, but be very happy. Say we not already come online more than 1,000. God bless you now, all mommy and papa them. Mommy and papa, fellow Southern Cameroonians, when you fight for liberate yourself, you must make sure say you indeed liberate yourself, because freedom na something will be tough. When we say it got to be through and through. Now why that way once you don't understand the perspective of the truth, you will remain firm no matter the sabotage. And people where they lie, it is easy for catch them. I will talk today, I will demonstrate with this cat. Now, when I must see, as I be aware, I be happy say today I just straight on these two aspects. For raise money for Swiss, I will demonstrate something during that process, and for talk about the FBI and my trip to Boya stuff. The first thing first, I say, one thank all man for Ground Zero, where it was this show at this time. Hello? 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 So we thank all man where it day for Ground Zero, where it was this show at this time, for tell them, say, may God bless them enormously. Now, make I talk this one for all man, where it day for this show now so. Just one quick minute. A lot of people, they call me. I don't know what to go on. I just make sure say I put. Okay. So as I be talk, for independence movement, like Professor Lumumba talk, the aspect for corruption, you know, get for joke with them. And now a very serious fight because we never take potential criminals and infiltrators that enter inside Amazonia. It never ever happen. I'm gonna know one thing. Yesterday we been a turning point in the life of this revolution. I call and say what turning point. Yesterday been a turning point in the life of this revolution. So we almost know as a people, say, you don't already define the path where one go. And Ambazonian power turn on one thing. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, you must remain firm to the understanding of the fact, say, conspiracy theorists, manipulators, thieves, embezzlers, infiltrators within their revolution, they don't already take themselves out yesterday automatically. 1 minute. Hello? Sister, I did live. I do how? Yes, please. Send me text. If you send me text, it will be better because if you send me text. Okay. All right. Thank you, sister. All right. Thank you. All right. Okay, so mommy and papa them, as I be talk, we all would already know exactly which side we stand. And I gotta make me know one thing. The devil will be extremely very manipulative. In fact, you don't even use the word satanic for defining the devil. When I must know, say as soon as I begin every battle, I know say the fight get for be tough, but it be easier because now people the way I don't deal with them. I know the way that they walk, and I did not for walk that way. Now why that way you see everywhere in every battle. Now we will get them very clearly, mommy and papa them. Just for mention for you, say we don't already systematically overthrow the enemy for the revolution. And I be happy with the stance where the Ambazonian people don't take up. Revolution, it depends on one thing. Truth to power. Professor Lumumba, we talked the other day for town hall. He moved your book, he showed examples them. We all would already win. La Republic of Cameroon, no. Say, some one activist there, if they succeed for take it down, it will hamper the revolution considerably. But unfortunately for them, for that activist, now octopus, now smoke, forget it hard. Now why that way I uproot all the criminals. Today I will show us until with this cat. I go buy a new cat. Now I so and I open them. Mommy and papa them. We will start first for open floor for fundraiser as people they join. We go to raise fund now for go for Switzerland. And I will just use this short minute for explain something that happened yesterday. Now, me will get them very well. I need to get my pen and my paper, or I'm going to jot them from my phone as people they call. So, we will make special, we will call and say operation, go to Switzerland by force. Now, any man where he won't contribute, make a call, my number, 917-480-1068. They pick them, they won't go. So we'll contribute state by state. If you be Manu state, you call me. One man rally for Manu, we call. Or put your contact. We get from us do this thing. And I want to understand what I want to do. When I see what it can happen now, then I will bring this card. I will end now with the FBI. Timmy Ambassador put the eye open. Mommy and Papa, as an activist, your primary rule, responsibility, and duty. Now for open people the eye, make them understand. Me, you give them what they call and say. You make for them, they make informed choices. Make them not be deceived. So you must demonstrate within the best way possible for put out the issue for them. Now, when I listen very well, when a revolution is then back completely. In fact, yesterday we've been at the magic ball. As I be aware, I will start first with already 1,000. Once today, exactly 1,000, just a few numbers. When I share them, that will start now with this facial fundraiser for go for Switzerland. When I listen very, very attentively, this card there, and not forget to we'll use the card. As a matter of fact, man, open the card first. Man, open this card so that we will use this card for the game where I want to play. Now I will show now how we used to do card. Now, very, very attentively. After this show, they're not going to talk again. We will know who will raise money past the other person for this show. Now, 1 minute, man, just share the card. Very good, interesting. All right, thank you. Now keep sharing. We'll go up to get everybody. So, at the end, and you cut this. I turn off on her face, not be so. All right, very good, very good. Excellent. New cut for her face. I want to show her something you understand. Keep sharing. Thank you so much. As you join, you share. Fresh from the... Now wait to this. Plain card. Very good. I'll keep on for now for the time being. Now, Mommy and Padem will start the fundraiser. We will make them very clear because activists you working for do her. Demonstrate, teach your people. Now the wait now the very thing Mark Barrett and Tapan to do them for teach what people for respect ghost town waiting today. Those ghost towns they still there. Now the very thing we will do them for teach people they may not be deceived by hypocrite thieves. You ever teach people, for example, say, like I did teach plenty people them, when they call you for social security, say, somebody call you, say, he got information about you, you not pay tax, he got cash you, me give your social security, he get all the information there. Is that ask you your social security? One thing you got to know, say, social security administration, you need to call man for phone, for ask you your social security, it is ORIS. That internal, it come right for they will send you a letter. Those are the small things that we, small things that we teach people. Okay, we'll start, Mommy and Papa them. We will make now, we'll take small funds. When I begin to write down, we will try to raise small money so that people will understand the way we go about it. Good. Now, maybe we'll make them very clear. We will take the first caller. When I write them, we want to raise small funds for go for Switzerland. Good, very good. Okay, I won't get the first person. All right, so we will take the first caller for today. Me will know which side what you want to contribute. So please, as you join, you share extensively. Listen, we got to flatten the enemies in the revolution. Professor Lumumba said, so you must identify. Hello?
Hey.
Yeah, hi, my brother. How for you?
I did bless my brother.
Will you do this special fundraiser for Switzerland, for go for Swiss? Now you come out with now which state this? One state the rally, which state?
Mezam State.
Mezam State, very good. Mezam State. So, Mezam, you give you how much today? You don't bring how many people in for support the initiative?
We'll get about 10. We'll give $34,000.
$34,000. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Mezam State, $34,000. Very good, very good, excellent. God bless you, brother. I'm going to take next state. Now, $34,000 that for Mezam. I go write them down. When I put the amount of Mezam State, $34,000. Wonderful, 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 wonderful. Hey! Another caller the call. We'll take another caller. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Now who state that?
The caller from Momo.
Momo State. Excellent. How much you want them?
I don't rally my sister then, my brother then we will come on Momo. We did around 15 of us and we don't pledge $36,000.
$36,000. Wonderful, Momo. $36,000. Mommy and Papa then got there for this revolution.
$36,000.
$36,000 for Momo. Wonderful. In less than 3 minutes, we don't raise $60,000 plus. Excellent. Wonderful, Momo. Wonderful. We will take another state. Now Momo State that don't call. Wonderful. We now share extensively. Up to an we must go Switzerland by force. Mommy and Papa them, we almost know. Say, now stop the revolution. We don't take our revolution back. And no way, not the way, we fit give them to the enemy. So, Momo, another state call. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Now which state that?
Yes,
Fako. Oh,
Yeah.
Fako that was slow. Go ahead. Fako won't get how much?
Yeah, we put writing of us and we put in a package and it's 42,000.
42,000. Thank people for Fako. We don't finally go Switzerland. 10 people for Fako. Wonderful. 10 rounds of event. Excellent. Now Fako that 42,000 for Fako. Wonderful. Jesus Christ. Mommy and Papa them, all we must not say on our revolution. We will take more callers. They're the only call. Una leave us so. Una wait. Wonderful. See, my turn. I want thing, Mommy and Papa. When I get for no, I want finish it. I will bring when I did demonstration for Cat Moon. Understand. So all we will get for support was state them because we won't go for Maryland. All we will support was state them because we won't go for Maryland. We will take some other big donors them. So when I keep una contribution coming, I also write them down. Momo. For another state. Hello? Yes, please. Yeah, now who state that? Lady Alem. Oh, Field Marshal person don't come. Please clap. Field Marshal person don't come. Very good.
We are doing this for Field Marshal, for all the soldiers he has been killing and everything he has done for us. So we are pledging 48,000.
48,000. I heard that Field Marshal he killed 200 soldiers yesterday and then he composed two new tracks. Is that true?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Le BLM get $48,000. God bless you. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Mommy and Papa them we will keep the contribution coming. So when I begin to calculate them, so Mommy will get to go Switzerland by force. God bless you now. Now Mommy and Papa them will continue for talk say una revolution. I want to demonstrate something una siam. Me all una know exactly the way we get to do things and for put revolution ahead. Now Muna listen very attentively. Now una get to know. Good, very good. Hello?
Hello, come on.
Yes. Now who state that?
Indian State.
Excellent.
Brothers and those yeah. We don't decide say we from Indian State we will put 36 $36,000.
36,000. Wonderful. We don't have more than 200,000 in less than 5 minutes. Excellent. Wonderful. Yes.
We will put $36,000 and Ambazonia must be free whether Dave will like them or not.
Good. Thank you so much.
Wonderful job.
So much. So,
And,
yes. So Ndian, excellent. Listen, God will bless you. We call from Ndian State. Thank you so much. So, Mommy and Papa, them, we will leave one small time. We calculate to the race. They will come for part 2 after. May God continue for bless all the people that contribute. I also hear the money. Very good. Very good. Excellent job. So, we look the next state. Now, what other state won't call? Very excellent. We will take one other state before we go on for other issues and we will analyze them for you. So, we will take some other state. Please keep sharing. What? See, when a revolution therefore be demonstrated, we will understand who's on the go. Okay, we'll take some other state. Hello?
hello?
Yes.
Hello? Yes?
Yes. Now, who state that?
Naboyo.
Boyo State. Excellent.
Yeah. I get 16 people who I don't put together. We will not say we must support Pogoda Swiss.
Good.
Yes.
Now, so now how much?
$37,100.
37,100. Ma calculate, we leave and first for part 1. For part 1 for the 400 that will go Swiss. Ma see how much we don't raise them all together before. May God bless you now. God bless you now. I know say a lot of them won't contribute. Mu take another donor. Mu take another donor. So other person don't have a call. Mu take one other donor. Very good. Very good. Okay, Mommy and Papa them we'll keep the calls coming. Keep the calls coming. We will take another state. We'll take one other state. We'll take 2 other states and then we'll go for part 2. Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Now who state that? Meme, good. Go ahead.
Yes. Okay, we just we 20, so we don't put together 33,000.
33,000 for Meme. Excellent. Wonderful. Hold on. Leave a man jot and down. Man, I don't want to forget that money. Meme, hold on. Another person because so just hold on. I fed jot Meme come for down. I beg. When I live and so, when I want to do all money for one day. Very good. Margo, Meme say they give how much? Meme give 33,000 because at the end of the show, I want to calculate see how much we come out 33,000. Very good for Meme. We'll take next person. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, please.
This is Seseku. I'm calling from Manu State.
Good.
Manu State is going to contribute. Is pledging $51,000.
$51,000, man, you state. That money, wait, no, me all other state, hold on. We'll calculate how much we don't raise them for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We'll put the amount together in 10 minutes. We know say more pledges will come in. We'll get Momo give 31,600. Mezam give 34,300. Fako give 42,000. We'll get Ntian give 36,000. Le BLM give 48,000 for Fimasha. Seki 2,000 soldiers. They sing 2 new music. Boyo give 37,100. Then Busa Manu give 51,000 just now, and then maybe give 33,000. So one put all this together, I will see the amount. 31, 34, now already 75. That's 65. 900, you add 40, you go 100,000, $505. You get another 36,000. Hold on, 40,000, 51. We're already for 218,000. You get 37,000. We're done there for 250 something thousand. You added 33, they get 280 something $1,000. Move get one last caller, me run up to 300,000. Any man if you have we move go to $300,000. So any state we will live and so at this juncture. If you have make them, so move take one last caller before we go for the other state them. Thank you so much. God bless you now. Hello? Hello? Boyo State again. Second time for Boyo State, yes. Go ahead.
22,000.
22,000. Excellent. Wonderful, wonderful. So at the end of the day, we will give Boyo State don't give 22,000. So I will now send her out there, me the calculator, and we'll get the grand total. Boyo State again. Boyo State again. Boyo State again. 22,000. Boyo State again. Okay, equals to $22,000. Very good. So I will send them now for account and they will calculate them. All the money, you see how much don't come. When I send me the, I just send them for you, director. I'll send them for you and the other man for Momo, so that maybe we'll get the total amount. No, wait, we need 1 minute. When I keep sharing, please. I want them to go for the card game now. And yes, so please. Okay, I don't send them for you, director. I send them for you, Mr. Manuel call from Momo State and Nizam State. I don't send them for now. When I do the total calculation, we know wait it all come out. Now wait, I know we'll take calls now. So me will calculate all. When I put the figure, I'm forward for now because nobody do the calculation while they live. So calculate that all. Then when I send the amount from our inbox, we'll read them. Then we'll put all things together. All right. So get one last. Don't worry, I'll open line for one last person for call. Mommy and Papa them. Now when they will do the total, I will bring the total order race and for go for Swiss, and I will make sure say I explain which way I want tell now. Now, very soon the total for the money will come out. I want to know one thing. Yesterday, I been enter for Zoom, where Sako be claim say the raise money. Una know say when man don't thief, he will ever find way because Sako on thief he pass Grand Kumba. As ya way Sako is sorry they cry for say na lie. Na lie say na there for that pocket. Una all they do na yesterday Chris Anderson arrest 208. So una no say lie today for 4 years. As I go put on top now, they only say a lie. Lie how? Now you call, now you pledge. I like this Sako so good, man. I know how to deal with you now very well. Say na lie. Now lie. Wait for the call. Now lie. Now listen very well. Some man say my new name na Clockbet. I like that name and I will tell the significance of Clockbet. Mo take the other one call, I'll add the money. Hello? Yes, but now which state? Boy, one day how much?
No, I don't gather like 20 family members them. So we already put together 30,000 euros. We already put together 30,000. So we pledge 10,000 on top. So we'll give 40,000.
40,000. Wonderful. We stay. We don't give 40,000. Thank you. Leave us so. Man, add 40,000 for Bui State. So when they add that calculation, don't forget to add 40,000 Bui State. Now just 10 minute fundraiser. We don't get almost $400,000 US. People they still call and leave us so now 2 of our life will contribute. Now, mommy and papa that's have to tell now. You see, Sako say ambassador put in a toy them where we can lie the all time. Yesterday I enter for day. I talk say waiting. I enter purposely for make sure say man make them to understand say I will follow them anywhere because I be police. I enter for there, I put my name in Ngwa. As I enter for that Zoom call, now I ring Ngwa that, oh, one comrade is here, let's listen to Mr. Ngwa. I said, this is Ngwa from Bafut. They say, Mr. Ngwa, what do you want to do? I said, no, I'll give $3,000. Can't see clap for T people. That's what they clap. They clap so they will say, this is Eric Tato. According to Nana, I want to take more money for chop. T people. Man, sure now tell about this cat, mommy and papa. The way to where Sako travel do yesterday because when I calculate the amount, they wanna add. When I send me the figure, I add 40,000 for Bui. We'll end up now. They will continue later on at the end of the show. Now, you know when you go for market for that mommy, they know for Widiku market, other market them, other market for Boy or for Bui. Where you go sell. Some boy there they play in Jambo. From the main market, you see the boy they can cut. Now cut this now. Then the can't talk say, I tonton your eye. You know why? If it come right, now so mommy don't gather, mommy don't go your money, won't go buy a fish from market. All man don't gather, Paul don't gather. Then that man went a Katika, because I saw Sako na Katika, then that county head them, they tell that chinda them for that tonton your eye game. Don't stand inside crowd. You ever walk out so. He go say, you see, now what is this? Now joke at this, no, he put out down. He move do again, say, now what is this? Now king, no, he put out down. He move so, it's not queen, no, he put out down. Then okay, you see, now Sako that, now Tina Sako, the do yesterday, so no. He said, well, I do have, I turn your eye, go this, I turn am. He said, Wusi king. That time, one of him put them inside crowd. He go come up, he tell us, Siamo. He said, point him. He point us in this. He turn him. Oh, you chop. He said, okay, now I want to add something. Add some more money. Show me somewhere the other one. They move him. He said, I turn your eye. He said, you see Joker? He said, yeah, I see him. Okay, show me somewhere. You see Joker, put small thing. That man will say, I put 10,000. He make us say, show him. So, oh, you chop, he glad. What did they try to do? Then he make sure say, you are there for crowd. Where you be victim. Me you do harm. Me you run. You can't go use your money. Where you want buy fish. Your money where you want go buy oil. Buy school bag for your picking them. Me you can't do harm. Make you come, give them. That's what I could do yesterday. So, arrange your back. Let all the people they call. Man make a know. Now, I use a demonstrative show this for show Ambazonian people. They say, never again will the fight against the Republic will not be deceived. Never again. So, it don't bring the county heads. It don't be so on a door. So, man will come out say, come out barefoot. Barefoot man, they can't pledge money for Sako, for open. Where barefoot there for them, they squeeze barefoot. Barefoot, they beg money. Now, who is struggle for saying barefoot $2,000. And then some man, they can say, pledge 7,000 for barefoot or 5,000. Then they clap. Because they hope say you will be so innocent man, they want to go and say bandwagon effect for communication. May you follow them so that you're gonna go contribute your real money where Sako will use and go chop and pay rent. I'll be happy because it will end now within their cabal. When Sako demonstrated yesterday, it didn't how I got tabi them, men got them and the rest have handled them. Mbelamoke, they come that early them, Elon Paul, they come for outside, they come for their areas, they can say, oh, contribution for CPJ, but Tabi say, you don't get 200 million, do what? But you don't even have you didn't ever see the money because the one that say you have a small local teacher, small clinic man, small this, you take your own money as well. You can't give them the and they go do that campaign. You guys got to be wise. Now, listen very attentively, Mommy and Papa. For now, the only project where it be transparent, clean, where it be the richest, the most funded, not dark. Now the only Ambazonian project that way it get where they see the amount. If not be say on as stupid, like people don't pledge, right? Someone say quite 40,000. He said give this. That was a game Sako was playing. I don't get for fundraiser away. Pastor Tata for Oxford Event Center. I raised money. Tata can take microphone. He said we'll give 4,000 for 4 guns. We won't come up with that hall. They say no, every time we have to announce the 4,000. I said no. I need announce money when I not share for basket. When I want to announce pledge, when I do an after. Because tomorrow they'll say, you announce this money, we didn't see this money. Now, Pastor Tata, he pledged $4,000. Then he has come up with the ask transport. Say me they give transport, me pay Uber go house. Man will pledge $4,000 for crowd. So all the small game where Sako, the maker, if you so don't know. Now, when I want to claim to don't donate no. When I want to say how much we don't raise today. If we not be fake, we want to not be fake. If we own a fake, so anyhow they all will know how to play the fake game. I don't talk say if you want to deal with a thief like Sako, you got to go dirty, rough, and careless. Not the job. Because a man where I don't work with you, I raise money all kind of way. They take money, eat chop money, buy handbag for woman, buy crap. They pay some of the limit and they crap. If not be say you door, someone can call you, they never know you. As just see pass of video. If they don't contribute how much, you don't contribute $10,000. You be glad. This sister I don't call say contribute for boo, you know it. Who's I going to get a pledge? Until Fu Johnson of all people. That was the one that I don't even know. I can't contribute with the name Ngwa. Fu Johnson, the most common thing I say, Fu Johnson there for contribution. He start meeting. He start to they tell them all where they fit transfer money. This is the cash app. This is the this is this. And Fu Johnson, oh yeah, as Jordan Escar. Now Fu Johnson said yesterday. Now I make them they know say. Now Fu Johnson make them they know say na plan app. Yeah, Fu Johnson. He can take microphone. Man, we don't tell you how they will contribute to the cash app the Zell day. Yeah, Fu Johnson. Fujonso say, yes, I'll give $1,000, I'll give 200 now, I'll give 800 after. Then you question the man, the doorman don't ask him. So how do I send the money? How do you send which money? Sako, you got to punish Sako. The guy then done. How do I send the money? So you want me to contribute the money, let me know I go send the money. How do I send the money? You Fujonso, you move $1,000 like that. That day no. They will Fujonso go contribute $1,000 that day. No virus, no ever can do it again. No one. See, listen, mommy and father, we'll be honest, right? Sako playing a clean that card game, Katika game yesterday. But all man cash out. All man now, Fufu don't tie for Sako hand. Fufu don't tie because they say they want to 300,000. So people did expect action. Fight and they expect money. Now the money will not be there except you go take them for La Republic as usual. Because if you imagine, say, if not be say una door, right? See a very wonderful contrast. Chris Anu come on live. He can beg $20,000 for go broke prison. He stay till today. He no ever raise. I will not get no account. Why you not go tweet say $20,000 raise to break the prison? He go tweet now the one way. Whoa, you not put the code. Whoa, call this out. Say the call from Banda. He give 14,000. They clap the right time. They never see the money. They say money I go play them for Berlin. They go small way come when I take and chop till today. Listen, mommy and papa them. When I got to understand, say as an activist, what is my role? And they care cost they cost me. They don't cost me all kind of cost. It don't concern me. No way, no day. Not be my problem. But I define my strategy. And my strategy now for to talk to the people and take the truth and give them the truth. So person say wait and see. You don't ever see nothing when it comes to Sako. Nothing. I don't think I see when I don't go only one half prison. Now you see now Kemi Ashu and the rest of those fake profiles, they will not concentrate on propaganda, fake news. You see tomorrow the Jordan write down breaking news, gunshot head in Moyoka, Telegraph, they know. I go debunk all. Call go right from Moyoka or video. I tell you what now. Because now the thing now how we will cast the report for inflame social media with lies. I will not stop for take field marshal abuse to key. Field marshal the fight for side. That was a guy whom we used for absolute propaganda. Not between those field marshal they fight. Then he had for propaganda machine. But now he did the fight again. What you have to support when I don't be now the enemies come. When I see fighters for Red Dragon, more than 12 the devil Didi Allen. So the man will create Red Dragon confess on video. So when I see I get to know one thing. This one I will tell and say, Sako is coming. I look Sako I don't laugh because Sako if you say by doing the thing, they get more power. The one activist where we feel defend every cattle. That raised the tapo. I think that's why I chop. All them, not tapo them. All them are picking them. They not do. They wanna do all propaganda. Una all 70 how many people, all activists. Una take time for 8 hours, 10 hours. I used 15 minutes. I collapse everything. Now any ambassador will go out there with his sense for a head. Say this is the game they played yesterday. Now where is the money? Mr. Sako challenged me. Put that money for bank. Give for fighter. You see 50 guns, 10 guns. This one will raise some $400,000. It go come out. So all we get for know, say this is how these people act. And as a people, you must stand firm to defend the truth. Where are you going to? Where are you coming from? You are coming from a system that was full of lies, like Republic of Cameroon. That is a terrible system where you move out from, and you get people that like Sako, where you don't be so passionate about stealing from people, about manipulating people. Sako can make noise. You know Chef Bandino, he should also Chef Bandi. Say, before you want catch me, no worry, Sako. Not in America, would it? Why the fear? If you not catch you, tomato will catch you. But if you rest assured, say you must go down for tip way tip my people boy. All your soul that if you make noise, go up, down, come, go left, go left, center, and so on and so forth. One thing when I get understand about me, and I'll talk very clearly. Say every tattoo, now the last person will not forget them with intrigues. Last person. So my read one come and say he will not reply. Sako long reply. So when he talk say that for FBI for can cash he will be like say Kamel go pass now. If he reply now, I'll talk about FBI. He replies to me every day and he writes all the conspiracy. Who be the fake profile? Some fake profile they don't write. Mommy, my show us one other thing where I think a bit of interest. So in total we don't raise we take 15 minutes. We raise how much is $335,000. Mercy. If I get other details, I think they always send for me. Must see which I get them in terms of details. Hold on 1 minute. I don't see 335. We got to make sure say all things okay. So very good. 335,000 for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Write it down. When I tweet and tune, I put up on our wall. Say every time to use 10 minutes, it is 335,000. So when Sako they bring their own, go bring our own. Not so. That's what we do. We put that line. Thieves, criminals. When I want thief my kid to boy, I'm not correct. When I want them full vulnerable mommy them, for make sure they can't give now. Cabal, tonton your eye. Now we see Joker. Now me I see Joker. Criminals. So all those small game when I play, it be unfortunate. Say every time today on the case. Every see you know some principle the day when you don't hear that secretaries they do the child but come for your school. You say, Master, why I go change school? Because he need laugh for we. I be that kind of principle. Ask about Tayo Dennis for GHS with the cool. In the whip. Principal way you can't school so you respect yourself to go as now me. So long as a day for the revolution, Sakono will get one eye space with that cabal. Now me every time to talk. No matter what. I be one man when I saw the government, when I don't recruit a huge number of fake profiles, they attack Telegraph, attack Eric Tato, talk to one go this side. They say they don't impregnate 10 women, some they say now 70. So mommy said they call her mommy now, mommy wait that woman Minnesota. He say I impregnate he said I impregnate how many women? He said now 5 now wait. No, mommy, you forget. There are 2 people for Douala, I add them 2, I get them belay. They fly come here, they don't go back. All them. Very fatal boy. Eric Tato. These people, man, they were don't confused. And this is the worst confusion. I'll just pull her out. They don't confuse you till they say, ma just bring her out. I'll be even publish her. Ma check them quickly for my this thing. Very good, very good. I'll be feel a lot of coding money. I'll be happy so I don't get hit back from my system. Okay, now some fake profile is where I don't really know it. Now Sako a woman a relative and stuff like that. Now one that. Then the other fake profile do be cut grass for one of these Paco politicians in the house. I know I'm putting name here, but I will put his name after. He write say, now wait till you write. He go download my app. He go download my app. He say, hello. He say a big message to all Amber boys fighting on Ground Zero. If you are using National Telegraph Radio on your phones, click on install now. This radio is connected to MTN transmitters, links to Cameroon military modems and savers. Now National Telegraph that one. Well, you know sometimes confused because see NT sound like MTN. You know they all they resemble. Mommy, see, you see when you see frustration, and I will tell you one thing. He said the app it be connected to MTN modem. Apple app. He like say as you get WhatsApp for your phone, so he say it be connected to MTN. They share them. They promote every time to the National Telegraph for free. Tell me go pay money. Me they promote on me. They guy they can promote for free. Don't share them the whole place. So there's some person come and say, bro, I don't know say get radio. I don't be listening at the radio now So all man when you watch this show, hashtag National Telegraph Radio. Just go for App Store. Simple. National Telegraph Radio they was like it there for App Store like Google. It there for App Store like YouTube. It there for App Store like WhatsApp. Now they say when you come America or in Europe. Now tell you guys have Ambazonia. You got to develop very easy, and you see even the person way he build the app, he named the day. Very nice. You know, very, very nice. So, if not we say some this story or Sako, as they don't been a pig, then they be sheep. You join 2 dog animals together, you get a combination of sheep pig, very dog. You can put app, say the app be connected to MTN. How manage app for Google Store it be connected to MTN? App, like how the Facebook is how they talk, they say be connected to MTN antenna. Not cheap. I'm not cheap. Oh, Sako. See, man, I want to know one thing, mommy and pardon. And what is fascinating now because the whole Ground Zero, they listen the show. The whole Ground Zero, they listen National Telegraph. Everybody going to be free. Above all, I don't even devise. I do it. I devise a means. I bring in my brother and friend with the UK, and I know it very well. Then I Mitch, I use this show for appreciate it. One of the finest IT tech they'll get them for Ambazonia. My other brother, Jonas, with the Cyprus, one of the best. And then you get to Gideon, you get Armstrong, and they'll get this Black American brand. At the point where they don't help me, plus Salas attack for way. Now, team you don't work on. What's happen? Mitch incorporate our radio for our website where you open all the pages, you will see the radio, all the pages. You will listen to the radio free. So now while listenership don't move now, we're there for close to 5 million every day. Every day, people they go browse Telegram, all the stories. So we don't really be for level where it will be difficult. See, for big Eric Tato, for social media war, they like say, they say you go born heaven, where no one die. You know, if you say you go born heaven, play God is free. It's so tough. In fact, it's impossible. So now you can't win Eric Tato. Join him because social media, I'm the strongest in this business. Stronger. I get the potential, I get the techniques, I get the means, and then above all, I get the credibility and the authenticity. As I've explained for all Sakwe services, I'm not needing of my website, but I always go there. Now, whether I the wrong go find my app. I need to look up download to. I did monitor on a website. How many people they listen? Like as I talk now, so I open my bar for my radio. You will see say more than 2 million people. You see Uganda, Cyprus, you see Philippines, you see Tanzania. Means everywhere people they listen to the radio. Everywhere. So easy, so nice, beautiful app. And the worst done is now say the person talk about the National Telegram app should be connected to MTN, the radio. That radio, not be some device. That radio is just a small component for the app. So the app itself, it get rating. It get National Telegraph TV, it get National Telegraph News, it get my Facebook page, it get everything where be connected to me. We get to incorporate you to get my website, one app. So when you go make small conspiracy, you help me promote, and I don't give me time for 10 minutes. I don't think I talk about my business very well for all man who watch me. Listen, whatever Sakwe service, you don't know all those small chicken activism. Never a day where I will take your picture, you Sakwe activists can put on my wall. No, you know why? Because when I think the lies about Eric Tato, I do it at day for night, I work 24/7. I publish news from Uganda, from everywhere. People they read, I expand my affairs of influence. But they concentrate on me. You do have. You concentrate on me for being conspiracy. I can't use 15 minutes. I collapse you. While you remain dull, I make more money, and then I destroy your conspiracy. At the end of the day, there's always one man who is the master, and that is Eric Tato. So all the Sakwe slogan I get for no, there is no way people are going to push it. No way, forget it. You will not beat it. So, Mami and Pa, one thank you so much. I'll end this show now. I don't want to go too far. Say, all man when you listen to me, go out there, go download the National Telegraph app. It's there for free. It's there for your inside your phone like WhatsApp. Just imagine, say, if some person won't even bring conspiracy, you don't even go tell fight as the same way install WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp not take the connect with phone number. App not get no connection, just there for space. So now the dawn is up. So one time everybody, all man must understand one thing with it. We need to bet none of us are supposed to. I don't need to download that app. And you know how many followers I get them? Uganda alone, Zambia, Gambia, Nigeria. So we don't need that. To be honest, Sakwe people and fake broke people. They no money. When I can't call money for space, we need to see the money. So that is it. That's it. So me all man not forget. By tomorrow we start. We launch our National Telegram metrics for subscription. I want all my followers. When I go for them, all man go take a Monday subscription. Everybody go take Monday subscription for it. Just $10. Everybody go there like right. But if you don't subscribe, we need to beg you. We're not subscribers. So I talk particularly for Sakwe for them. You get out with very cash, will block you. That is it. So we want to be very clear, very, very, very clear. Now going forward and short and simple, just to make them say we were there for you. We get the DAC initiative where they out there. DAC. Now the only legitimate process for now, we get the tough as well for Dr. Cho Ayaba. We get the bonds for President Sisiku. I will encourage anybody to go there, go put what you want to put down if you trust the process. But for me, I will stand as an ambassador for DAC. Very, very important. I stand as ambassador for DAC to say, now a platform I trust them. Now all would watch where you go just type www.dacommunity.org. Now the only place that now will already fund campaigning for Nigeria, and I will see them, will remove $2,000 according to the community. Give for back. Not be fake money. The money they if you go to the website, might just click on the website. That website. Please. Not time for calling. Please. Hold on quickly. Keep sharing. I won't go for Google. I'll be so happy, say, I'll be feel too much cold this morning and I'd feel really very relieved. So, okay, that's good. Very good. Excellent. Dacommunity.org. .com. Perfect. All right, so my get them very clear. So we'll try to get them out there. Very excellent. So if you go for the DAC page, we'll do www.darkcommunity.com. Perfect. Very good. So now the dark this, where you type that one, you go for dark, www.darkcommunity.org. You go there, see them. They don't tell you say, not the way you say, say, come on, Jan, you talk for space. You come, they go see the money. You see, at the time, as the number of members don't go to 50. If they have 43 years, they don't go up to 50, 57, 257. You see the money where they did. We don't go to $12,000 plus. Cash. The richest and comfortable platform. When I go assist now, community project. No man of it big community. So all my watch me just go now for dark. Click for the but that video we don't always show now is there for using. Where one come, one register, just climb for the website. You click for here, you see log in. When you click log in, your up will take you go. Since we not get password, you can click now sign up. You click sign up, it will take you go. You now you put your username, one user. You put your own email address, your email because it will send you notification. Then you can put your choose your password. Then you register now. It will send you this thing. Then you come in, I can log in. You do your $20 registration. This one, not be money to go for A, B pocket. And it come directly for you, the community. So one time, everybody will watch. And look the very terrible post where this one Muslim brother, why they call him Abdul Karim. Why they tell every day, say me defend himself for document that wasn't for boy. I wonder if they this thing because we not going to tolerate the kind. Because not just pure criminal, not criminals in this. Karim Shidong, he can say we must move on to where? On top of the horse that you enter when you left a set. He said the event of yesterday humbled me to the earth. Humble you where? And it took us about a year or more to produce the funds for MTTB. It took us less than 8 hours to raise over this. Good. You see, Karim don't join the gang for thief people them. He don't can write for confused, but it took you 8 hours. And you bring Pope for Ambazonia, he come now. Pope for Rome, he come from Ambazonia, he talk. He no ever raise that money because people will still be a little bit skeptical. They try to build confidence. So when you see Abdul Karim become support thief-free, the first time we ever open my call my clip to and I want to make a meeting say, oh, Sakodo succeed for raise money. Karim, you call yourself to be Muslim scholar. Wait to be so tough for you for come for can condemn bribery and corruption, for condemn thief-free. You see how you lost your respect? You see how you fear for talk. You fear for talk because the oil and mob. You don't confuse. You can't say it took us 8 hours. So for your mind, you don't know say Sako, every you Sako play card at tonton your eye for your face. I call yourself a Muslim scholar. Sako play card tongo 419 people, and Abdul Karim is so badly destroyed. So badly destroyed. On the FBI issue, some people don't call me say, man, not discuss it. So we will update ourselves on that once my advisors won't tell me, say, man, just calm down because it was something very huge. So we'll leave them for today because I don't get that advice. We will take 5 callers and then we'll end the show. Or we'll simply end the show so that means all man, it makes sure say it on board. So thank you so much, Mami and Padre. I don't tell you. Say, we will be very firm. La République du Cameroon will be defeated. That one a point. Everybody knows that because Sako will be the main infiltrator where we don't decode them and they on a very serious and steady throttling capacity for destroy infiltration tendencies. And everybody they see them. So we're going to tell about Abdul Karim. It will not be too late for you for repent. Not be a Muslim man with you chop pick. You'll be only Muslim you chop pick now for the world. We all don't see them. You come up for fast. You break your fast now, lie. You break your fast, you can't really lie. You should be ashamed, my brother. It's a terrible thing. You get conversation with you, Faka Eugene. You record and you share them. A man who lacks dignity, who lacks integrity. You can't share conversation, private conversation. Where you record them. Where you not get no harm. Instead, you share them, you destroy yourself and the support ID because you Faka Eugene be the support, switched up after you can walk talk with you. No more switched up. But you can't share them if you want sabotage. So all will not ever be on the path. We're not going to choose or select any criminal for Haiti. And all of them know very well. So one man there for every they don't ever succeed. Every tattoo. I don't really demonstrate on Amami how Sako try for fool, for create the impression. Say, oh, people they see there, which people? Thief man, a criminal, gangster, he chop crap. You know why they make that noise? Because he wants to take more money for CRA will probably find lawyer for defend himself when the issue start. Well, as I be talk, he bring county agent, say, na county they give a donation. So tomorrow he will turn talk, say, county or can't talk, say, they will still acknowledge. Say, oh yes, we don't receive the money when no money was received. So they don't give themselves a bigger trap. When I wait 1 week, 2 weeks, if I hear anything about any of those prisons, we put our ears on the ground, and any person will get to take action for prison, you get to stop. If I get to do anything, I will announce them before I do them. I will just talk some location where the thing will happen before it happens, because they can't take responsibility. So now we get to be happy. Say Sako use a mop, a 419, he use a tonton your eye game will cut. Yesterday he destroy himself, which is very important. Mommy and Papa, I want to thank you. Say, when I feel be rest assured, when I feel count on me for the defense of this revolution. And then if you are not fear for me, when I only pray, now all things I do, when I not be control the work outside, I go try the job. But for the Maryland or for the America, if you plan to kill Eric Tato, you get for campaign. Send, you want to send a Tato, no? Send like 90. Makwo. That's a point, no. That's a point, no. Me, I do everything my address, you come there, freeze. And if you ask for the know, they will tell you very well. So as I be top, Mommy and Papa, the game is done. We don't completely disseminate and destroy the thieves. And everybody know the game we played yesterday. We don't do the same game now. You know, that the first one they cry. So I play that I contribute to Sako. Another fake person. If you go yesterday, go make fake stuff. Very good. Now, when I got to understand one thing, they didn't know they cry because they calculate say how they will do it. The money don't can announce so. If we not get the money, wait to go happen, wait to go, wait to go do this, and so on and so forth. All of us would already deal with them. We raise how much today? Over 350,000 for 10 minutes. When I use 8 hours, when I raise more than 200,000 at the club. So we don't see who them pass through. So when I stay very firm, when I be concentrated, say Sako it plans, or it plan they don't be completely destroyed. Listen, but I tell you one thing. If you want to destroy armed robber like Sako, not ever be polite. Be extremely rough, arrogant. Even all that crazy women, the way that they support him. I don't tell and say, if you be enemy, if my enemy, I describe you, define you, I draw the line. That is it. So, ladies and gentlemen, more continuously, do hashtag here, say, Sako the thief, bring back our money. Everybody, more do that hashtag. Sako the thief. Someone say, go report you for Facebook. I fear report of, you know how many times? Report for Facebook in Yamfuka. No, not for report. Report noise makers them. So, we go play what press the music where we ask all mommy type the hashtag Sako the thief, bring back our money. So all man do the hashtag Sako the thief. Everybody, Sako the thief. Everybody, that's the hashtag. So we make sure say we deal with this kind of criminal because we don't get space for them.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria.
I'll address on one quick aspect. So you see Sako report they go bring stories about money. Say, oh, every Tato did not work because they not be able to bring receipts. Now they don't go bring another story about women. Because as I don't tell you, say, they treating the key people, where key man, now money, woman, and power. So Sako has come at top of the sleep with Iringwa. And then Iringwa say can deny say they don't buy hamburger for you. When we say Sako buy hamburger for different women. So Sako don't be now a sleep around. They eat thief money, so he like power, eat thief money, then he sleep around, so he be completely destroyed. Then for a surrogate, and for can't try for balance, and say, oh, every time you don't impregnate women, they really stay, and so on, you don't do this, do one. Listen, matter one thing, you see me every time. The last thing when I think I get me now, 2 women. Last. He like bring now, as I told you last time, he like bring now, Samadora, can't make it yourself from me, so I'll say, hey, madam, welcome. Bye. Bring the women, let them come. Bring them. Nyamfuka. Sako is a thief. He stays there. He's a thief. Sako is a gigolo. I mean, just anything bad about a man, Sako is that thing. So all that are small conspiracy and so on and so forth. All when I call myself women when I talk of Sako. Why when I not say on a daughter, they can't try me too now. Or when I not write me inbox, or know what I like woman. You were saying your daughter, me can try. Say, Musi, why every time to like woman? Listen, you see my life, what I do, one woman. If I like one woman, I like one woman. There's nothing any of you can do. And no man will deal with those kind of Sako cheap prostitute audio makers. Them cheap prostitute the way for 5 years they sleep 20 women. Oh, now I support Sako. That's when I operate. Very cheap prostitute. That's it. Thief. That's it. All of you, all Sako surrogate. Now thief people they not prostitute them. They not get no defined charisma. Anything negative, it be now. So that is exactly how it is. So Sako should bring back my trip to Boya. I think I should bring back my trip to Boya. And we are going to follow them till the last man in this America. We'll listen to music while we end the show shortly. So one fake profile calling a clone with you. Now they do all conspiracy. You guys say we love Sako. You who? Look, you one, you like, you love one, you you love, you say you like one man. Look the rest of the podium. 50 people plus. They like say Sako na thief man. 50, all they like, now that plus 100. They only type Sako is a thief, Sako is a thief. They on a fight, now don't make noise. I don't know, type me Sako is a thief, or don't hashtag that Sako is a thief. Very good. Thief, criminal. Why they not recognize people, no place. America, they drive in a driver, no office, no day if you go. Every day, secret diplomacy to today. Today, thief people them. And I can't turn eyes on raise money. When I not see nothing. Now, tomorrow, I will bring up Wala. Very important. I don't remember some very important thing. I almost forget. So one, Sako is so the way they China, we don't wrong when I was saying, I might just tell you what you will get for do. Very quickly, I will pull out something where it concern you. Ma go for it very quickly. Usa, ma see. Very important. No, I think. Hold on. Very important. I want to pull out some picture. When I keep sharing before we come back, we'll end the show in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes. Come on, we need to take calls here, please. No calls today. No calls. Yes, some person writes Eric is a thief. Very good. You write say I'm a thief. No problem. I agree. You write say I'm a thief. Agreed. One man. But the rest of the people then they think otherwise. So that is thumbs up to moi. Very important. Sako is a thief. That's why everybody is writing. So your opinion amongst the thousands of people they watch, you not count. Sako is a scammer. Very good. Neither the right or the all man is young. Thieves, criminals. Nyamfuka. Now will make fake audio. Hey, that not this. But one eye proof nothing. Now in that for the all man catch Sako. Yesterday Sako is in a card game. I turn your eye. Say Amber World Draft. It will be in a peace draft spot time. So ma just bring up this man where I will talk about that tomorrow for my show. Very important. I will just pull out a picture. Say I already instruct restoration for me to arrest some small brother where they down there. I get a small brother in picture. I will bring it up because now then he connive for now the guy this. I picture this. Now some broke guy for China. I want to just show he don't move now. I will show you this in. I will handle it tomorrow. Ma show I'm very well. Okay. So now the guy picture this. When I see, I know you know. I will now me just know say a small brother waiting for down where he send me to do the rough game on behalf of Sako will go cash it. So I want to tell you, when I want to know, when I tell you, I know I'm calling it not be important, but me they just see a picture. You dey China on outside there, as if I don't call it South Korea. That is small brother. Tomorrow I'll bring a picture and I will instruct restoration forces for Getty on your behalf so that I'm gonna stop that game on the play. We will listen to music, they'll end the show in 2 minutes. Thank you so much.
Assistant Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you Richard Mataya Mende? I job. I bank is in it.
Very important. I'll just answer a person say you are kidnapping for Grand Zero. First thing, the only person we will not say officially kidnapped na Field Marshal wey dey with the Republic. Now the first person that we kidnapped they take 20 million. Chris Anu say announcer. The other person don't kidnap, we kidnap na Sako because he chop my trip to Bear. Start force die attack and the boys they go to kidnap. Eric Tato, I feel be proud. Say, I will instruct the arrest of some chiefs and they will be released peacefully. That's how I need to take job for take responsibility. When I go any place, I beat my hands down. So when I forget on a small chicken conspiracy, then these Sako criminals. When I forget about that one, I need to fear nothing. For the America, the only man if you go jail now to stand, a person thief money for the country. We take refugee money chopper. Now one man Sako plus a gang. As for every time, I just order and make the noise. So I know what I said. We'll go to FBI, all of us. Thank you so much. Sami Sako is saying I develop high blood because of Sako. Tawa will hit Ayabacho, when I be clap. I know develop high blood. I start pang at the top. I can't develop high blood for my way cheap money. I don't mash it for gram. Sako don't finish. See his face yesterday. When they talk, let me look at my face. You see his face. You look my way. They talk say look Sako face. My way you see my you try eat the struggle for Simai. Now yes, I know say Sako be the learn for Simai na yesterday. Ma bring that face mun see am. Now Sako this see man wey dey talk yesterday. See Sako for inside meeting. Now na own president that see face. We not there for Simai look am. President go sit down for corridor for attend meeting. Oh, come here. That grandfather. Thief wey dey blood. So na know what I said. High blood then na for una. Now why una create all fake profiles and for attack Eric Tato. All una. I be Christmas agreeing. Why won't catch Team Mai mobile Christmas? You don't see police where they go follow Team Mai, they go normal. Now fire. That's how it is. Good. Sako is a thief. We need that hashtag. And when I not forget it, so don't raise over $400,000 when I put that on a wall. So raise over $400,000 for support Swiss talk. Me Sako can go Swiss. 400,000. Put it on your wall. Over 400 for 15 minutes. Less than 15 minutes. So let's put it down. Share it on all WhatsApp groups that will raise at least 400,000. So if Sako they say we're on a fake, would you wait me? They can put it on a real. Then also will put it on a real. In the meantime, all man you get a responsibility but go for that. Excluding Sako's surrogates. Don't go to that. We don't need you. We don't need your money. Keep it. Go and do those fake games with Sako. So I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you and keep on praising God because God don't give you a son for make sure you debunk all the thieves. I'll end the show here and thank you very much. So when we leave here, go to DAC, www.daccommunity, DAC, D-A-C, then community.com, www.daccommunity.com. So don't last grace for normal show, we'll take 15 minutes, we'll raise $400,000. Chris Arnold, they will raise now 208 to 300,000. So we know who they did on the ground. So thank you so much. I will end the show for you. God bless you now. And thank you very much. So when I take 8 hours yesterday, when I jubilate, today when I cry, when I want to start to defend, when I lie, this color are fake. Now I want to be real. When I see the money, you see, show me one Sako is so the way can money. Say this is the money there. It's 10 and so it pass through phone go Sako. Thief people them. When I be on our smart, my God, I'm a cat. Grand Kumba, Sako, thief man, they dance so criminal. So they Chris Anu. Chris Anu got pledged $500. I look and say, oh, the guy them. Chris Anu pledged $500. Anu Christopher Gideon. Wonderful. Would I see the money with the dash monkey coat? Who give monkey banana? All right, my living over. Thank you so much. God bless you now. We'll listen this president music to the end before I'll end the show. Thank you so much. So we'll continue for thank all man. I will leave it now for now. Keep typing hashtag Sako is a thief. That's it. And let him bring back our money. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will answer this one question. Say, how is it going to free Ambazonia? The only way Ambazonia will be free, I will make sure say we debunk thieves. Then like Sako, you know, they take the small money where they be help picking them, then take and pay bills and for that is the first major step to help Ambazonia. Even Professor Lumumba talk say for revolution I must bring ways and for debunk thieves and get accountability to the latter, and that is what we are doing. So we will get independence by debunking Sako. Put it in your mind. Thank you so much.
Vice President for Digital Services and Chief Information Officer, Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria. Yeah. Are you Richard Mataya Mende? Are you? Bomba,
Somebody say, Eric, you don't have anything to say, then you are listening. Sako is so good. You caution yourself. You know, I'm not going to know your talk. You can't listen. Oh my God. Anyway, it was fun. So, thank you so much. We'll leave my here and say, may God bless you now. Bye for now. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.